Welcome back to BikeSphere, your go-to channel for all things motorcycles. Today, we're diving into a legendary cruiser, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic. Get ready to explore the timeless style, modern technology, and powerful performance that define this icon. Design. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic stays true to its roots with a design that oozes nostalgia. The classic leather saddlebags, chrome details, and nostalgic LED headlights are paired with fresh color options like regal red metallic and frosted silver. It's a seamless blend of vintage charm and contemporary flair, making it a standout cruiser for any rider who appreciates style. Performance. Under the hood, the Heritage Classic features the Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, delivering robust torque and smooth acceleration. Whether cruising on highways or navigating winding roads, the refined suspension ensures a balanced, comfortable ride. This year's model also benefits from improved braking systems for enhanced safety and control. Technology. Harley-Davidson knows the importance of blending tradition with innovation. The 2025 Heritage Classic comes equipped with the latest infotainment system, including turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a crisp touchscreen interface. Keyless ignition and advanced rider safety features like cornering enhanced ABS and traction control ensure the ride is as convenient as it is secure. Customization. As always, Harley-Davidson invites you to personalize your bike. From custom paint jobs to performance upgrades, the Heritage Classic offers endless possibilities to make it uniquely yours. With an expansive catalog of accessories, you can truly tailor this cruiser to match your riding style. The verdict: a cruiser that stands the test of time. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of timeless design and performance excellence. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the Harley-Davidson family, this bike promises an unforgettable experience on the open road. Stay tuned to BikeSphere. That's it for today's ride through the 2025 Heritage Classic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BikeSphere for more reviews, comparisons, and everything else two-wheelers. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle steady.